Here we go. I have another video, and this is going to be a blade fuse block where I can hook up to my battery on my four-wheeler and run my auxiliaries off the side and not directly at the battery terminal. So this is negative, you would hook to your battery. Positive, you'd hook to your battery. The side posts are all positive, the bottom posts are all negative. So that's your, and it comes with fuses, screws for mounting, a little bit of directions, and this is pretty cool. If you can look, they got markers already, which will go on these little slots. I don't know if you can see the slots, but it's all ready to mark. Rock lights, stereo, light bar, bumper lights, bilge pump, instruments, all kind of different things. And if that's not enough, you have blanks that you can actually write on, and then they will just stick on these little slots. It's going to be pretty cool. It'll clear up the battery terminals, and then I have actually 6 different posts I can run off of. All right, looking forward to it. I'll bring it to you. Freebie out. Going to be installing a trickle charger on my CF Moto 600 Touring. Charger plugs in, and you have waterproof connections. I actually have little jumper cables, and these just quick connect. It's pretty cool. I'll be showing you that. All right, here comes another in-depth, informative, professional sorry about that, installation. This is a bus bar for my fuses that will hook to my battery on my CF Moto 600 Touring. You have plus, negative. Here's for your load positive on each side. 6 different lugs. And here are your negatives. So we'll be installing that today. On this cover, you have places where you can actually label. And it comes with the labels. So I'll be bringing that to you. Here's the guts of the CF Moto. And we want to put this bus bar right here. I have my controller for my whip lights, my rock lights. I want to put my bus here. I want to mount it right here on a hinge so it will actually flip up out of the way, and I'll have access to the battery and everything else that I need. So with that said, this is what I did. I've got it mounted on a hinge, not tightened up yet, but I'm going to secure it on here, and then it will be able to flip up out of the way. That will give me access to my battery and everything underneath. Just improvisation. I'm sure there's a better way, but you know me, I'm freebie. I do it my way. You do it your way, I do it my way. Just showing you. This is what it should do. Mount it on that frame. It's out of the way. It's under the back seat, and then it will just flip up out of the way for access. The reason I'm doing this, if you'll notice on this battery, there's at least 2 or 3 different wires connecting to it. Same thing on the positive. So now all I will have is the main wire for the motor, the wire for the trickle charger, and the wire for the bus. There'll be 3, and they'll all be looped ends, eyelets, and there should not be any chance of loose connection, and it'll just be a lot neater. Preview, I've already pre-drilled my holes for the hinge. And everything will sit like that with the cover on it. Fits underneath the back seat. And if I need access, it flips up. Nothing is secure yet, just giving you an idea of how I'm doing this. All right, finished product. I have my Trickle charger here. Got my bus load bar up in here, connected. Use self-tapping screws, put a hinge on it. Easy access. Now I can get to everything. It's under the back seat, and the queen seat, because Miss Freebie likes to ride Quasimodo. Got extra fuses. I could have just gone with a 3 or a 4. Got the 6 because it was just as cheap. May need to add some other stuff later. Never know. But that's what it is. Appreciate y'all watching. Hey, like me now.